welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit New York black and orange filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here are examples photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Exposure to -0.30. Contrast to +70. Highlights down to -40. Shadows to +25. Whites to -70. And blacks to +20. Now, go to the curve tune. Follow these steps. And done. Next go to the color panel. Adjust the vibrance to +30. And saturation to +16. And then go to color mix. First go to red color. Adjust the saturation to -20. And luminance to -10. Next go to orange. Adjust hue to -10. Saturation to -30. And luminance to +30. Go to yellow. Adjust hue to -100. Saturation to +30. And luminance to +30. Next go to green. Adjust the saturation to -100. Next go to light blue. Bring the saturation to -100. Next go to dark blue. Adjust the saturation to -100. Now go to purple. Bring the saturation to -100. Next go to pink. Adjust the saturation to -100. And done. Next go to the effects panel. Adjust texture to +15. Clarity +50. +44 to A's. And vignette down to -40. Midpoint to +53. Feather to +80. Next go to split toning. highlights H to 220, and S, 10. Shadows H to minus, and S, 0. And done. Next go to Details. Adjust noise reduction to 15. And color noise reduction to 35. And finish. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Follow us on Instagram. And see you in next video.